Comparing analysis code between Sage 200 Manufacturing and Sicon Works Order Processing. So against works orders, if I just went into a works order, under the analysis codes we can see 5 analysis codes which you need to know where to find in the database in the background to rename these analysis codes. And they take the first analysis codes, the first 5 from the 20 analysis codes that are against the bill of material. We can enter information in there if we wish. On the works order list, if I just right click, go to columns, these are always going to be called analysis code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see we've added them here. Let's go into Sicon Works Order Processing. Let me just go into Utilities and Settings. And if I go into the Display tab, so here the works order spare text, these are our analysis codes essentially. So we can call them whatever we wish, and we can select a different data type that we're expecting in there. So whether it's a date field, numeric, a text box, or a selection box. So if I say a combo box, and let's call this Project Manager, and let's click on the ellipsis there, and then we can go and add a list of values that they can select from. So and then you can just keep on adding as many fields as we need to there. We will also select one as a text box, and let's go and select one as a date field, and let's just go and save that. So if I went into Sicon Works Order List, let's go into a new works order, which is essentially an entered works order if we're coming from legacy manufacturing. Let's go into the additional information. So we can see underneath Project Manager, we can only select from those selections there. But that just keeps the data consistent. If we need to report on it, if we need to extract that into Excel, put it into pivot tables, you're not going to get misspelling of names and spaces in between the names. Scrap reasons. And date collected, so that might be the date that somebody's collecting the works order document. You can see there we can have up to those 5 fields. If I just close out of here, that information can also be added to our list. If I closed out of Sage and then reopen, then it will be listed. It wouldn't be called analysis code 1, it would be called project manager, etc. Let's just go back to works order processing, works order list, right click, columns. So you can see no longer analysis code 1 and 2. We have now got project manager, scrap reason, and date collected. So we can see there project manager, scrap reason, and date collected.